Hey, what's going on, guys? Glad to see you're back for another video. Kind of a neat topic. Hope everyone had a pleasant holiday season. Hope everybody was safe, happy, and healthy. We're going to kick this year off with a bang. So, focus, pay attention, and let's get started, shall we? Sorry, muted the mic, forgot to unmute it. Here we go. So, we can all agree 2020 was a hell of a year. Some of us had a good year, some of us had an okay year. A lot of us had a terrible, rough year. So now you're probably looking for other things, other resources, other ways to do things, right? And I'm betting that, let's just say, if your search history maybe looks something like this, right? Or like this. Right? Then maybe you should listen up, pay attention. There's all kinds of ways to make money online, right? There's all kinds of ways to make money online in 2021. You could do Amazon FBA. You could do Etsy. There's drop shipping. Right? The possibilities are endless. You could maybe become a digital marketer. Maybe you're a Google Ads expert or a Facebook Ads expert. You can sell your skills to people creating ads, right? You could contract yourself out through companies like Fiverr. You could try affiliate marketing. Right? Digital marketing, affiliate marketing. It's all an online world, digital bubble. And you're probably thinking, you're right. God, I've seen so many digital marketers, the world's probably flooded. Well, think about it for a minute, right? Think about it for a minute. Our world is online. The digital marketing world is online. So is it flooded and saturated and overrun? No, my friends, it is not. Not in the least. So, I'm an affiliate marketer, so I talk a lot about affiliate marketing. It's what I do. It's who I am. What I want to do is give you some examples today. Okay? And I think you'd be surprised at what kind of companies have affiliate programs. Target, right? For all of my friends and neighbors, viewers who may be in the US of A, Target has an affiliate program. You get up to 8% commission on popular categories. They have a 7-day cookie, right? Nice. Cool. Who else has one? Oh, Walmart? What? Really? Yeah, really. You can become an affiliate for Walmart. Who else? I'll show you who else. Best Buy. Best Buy has one. Now you're thinking, how do I find it, right? How do I find out if a company has an affiliate program? You can simply just Google companies with affiliate programs. You could simply pick a brand, Google it, and put affiliate program after the brand name, and it'll come up. And 9 times out of 10, you scroll all the way to the bottom of that website on the home page. All the way to the bottom. And you're going to look for something like... Uh-oh. Did I lie to you? Right? So then you can pick your country, right? You just Google Best Buy affiliate program. Bada boom, bada bing. Here we are. Canada, US, and Mexico. Right? So you got Best Buy, Target, Walmart, Amazon. Scroll to the bottom of that page. You want to go right here, Amazon Associates. Boom. That'll take you to the Amazon affiliate program where you can sign up and you can start driving traffic back to your affiliate links for anything and everything on Amazon. Same with Walmart, Target, Best Buy. Anything they sell, you can create an affiliate link for. And you can create traffic back to that link so they buy and you get a commission for their purchase. Right? So essentially, you're basically helping them sell by sending them free traffic, and then you get a commission of the sale. So these would be what's considered low ticket for affiliate programs. And then you can move into some high ticket stuff, right? For example, software a lot of us use as affiliate marketers and digital marketers, ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels has an affiliate program. They pay you recurring commissions on monthly memberships. You have access to all the books Russell Brunson has written. You promote them. One Funnel Away Challenge, etc., etc., etc. Right? So this will give you 40% recurring commission. You start low at 20 until you create history with them and you do well, and then they slowly build you up to a 40% commission. And they have this cool little dream car thing going on with their programs. And then my personal favorite, Legendary Marketer, I'm an affiliate of. Now, you need to know that not every affiliate program is just out there for you to go and join and become a part of. Some companies are very picky choosy. Some companies make you go through a long process. Legendary Marketer doesn't just hand out agreements to anyone who applies to become an affiliate. They are very picky choosy. They are very, they take their reputation very seriously, which is why they're one of my favorites. And again, you would just go all the way to the bottom of the page. Boom, 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 boom. Affiliate agreement. Affiliates. Right? Click on the affiliates button. I'm just going to open up the next page. Tells you all about their affiliate program. There's a little video for you to watch. Right? It lays out the basic plan, the pro plan, what you get, what you don't get, and it's a very cool place to hang out and be an affiliate with. I love it. It's what we do. And the other thing you want to watch for if you're going high ticket is what kind of resources are available to you, right? What do they give you to help you do your job? So the folks at Legendary, they give us a whole toolbox full of resources, right? Videos, images, ads, emails. It's just endless possibilities of what they give us. So that's it. I mean, basically, if you can think of a product, chances are it has an affiliate program. The best and easiest way is to just Google the product name, affiliate program after the product name, and see what you get. Or you just simply Google affiliate programs, and it'll bring you up all kinds of articles and stories and posts about the best of this and the best of that, and so there you go. There's many ways to make money online. 2021 is going to be a heck of a year. It's going to be a transformation year, right? Our world is transforming, transitioning. We'll see what happens. But I'll tell you right now, the internet's not going anywhere. And everybody's transitioning to that. So, until next time, stay safe, do your research, get yourself online, hit the subscribe button, come on inside. I'm going to be sharing all kinds of stuff with you. Peace out. Till next time, go win the day.